Next, we're going to talk about vertically aligning area type. You can align or distribute lines of text in a frame vertically or horizontally when using vertical type. You can align text to the frame's top, center, or bottom using each paragraph's leading and paragraph spacing values. You can also justify text vertically, evenly spacing lines regardless of their leading and paragraph spacing values. So I have a paragraph selected just showing you over here in this area type. You can see that, let me click here so it will show you. This would be align top, align center, align bottom, and then that vertically justifies it, so that would spread it out evenly. So next we're going to vertically align one of the headings more easily, set the spacing between it and the paragraph of text. Select the selection tool and click in the heading Your Local Home Repair Specialists. In the area type section of the properties panel, click Align Bottom. That moves it to the bottom of the text area. So once you do that, you need to drag this text up, and let's move it over so it's centered over that box right there. And that is how you align things vertically. We are now going to work on resizing and reshaping type objects. You can create unique type object shapes by reshaping them using a variety of methods, including adding columns to area type objects or reshaping type objects using the direct selection tool. To start this section, you're going to place some more text on Artboard 1 so you have more text to work with. You can easily create columns and rows of text by using type area type options. So if you were to go up here, y'all love it how mine freezes. Type, and then area type options. I messed up here. I was supposed to select select this text. Wow. Select this with your selection tool, and then choose type, area type options. That's going to open up this dialog box. And we're going to change number to 2 in the columns. So bump that up to 2. Change gutter to 14px. Make sure your preview is selected down here so you can see. I don't know why that changed to 3, but that should be 2. Gutter is 14. The text box is now split into 2 columns. There most likely isn't enough text to fill the second column. You'll fix that later. If necessary, drag the bottom middle bounding point down so the area type object is the size of this artboard. That's fine. So next we're going to work on reshaping type objects. In this section you'll reshape and resize a type object to better fit text. With the selection, I'm going to click OK on this. So with the selection tool, click the text object with the 215 Grounds or Grand Street. Click that text. Press Command on a Mac or Control on a Windows several times to zoom in. Command plus or Control plus. Forgot to say the plus. Select the direct selection tool. Click and release the lower left corner of the type object to select the anchor point. drag that point to the right to adjust the shape of the path so the text follows the contour of RJ's hardware. So RJ's hardware is at an angle here, so we're angling that. And then let's select the selection tool and drag this over closer to it. Like that. And if yours isn't enough, I don't think mine's well, I'm gonna crack here. I think it's just fine like it is. Okay, you can use the eyedropper tool. You can quickly sample type attributes from text and apply those attributes to other text. Choose vertical 1, add, or 1 vertical add. From the artboard, to switch to the other add, select the type tool. At the bottom of the artboard above the curved black line, click right here. Type family owned. I don't think I clicked on it. Hang on. No, it wasn't supposed to be on it. Hang on. Alright, try this again. Just click above it and type family in all caps. Family dash. It's 7 something in the morning. That's why I'm struggling. Y'all are in bed because it's 18 degrees outside. But I love y'all, so I came to school early so I could do this stuff. Press the escape key to select a text object in the selection tool. To sample and apply formatting from other texts, select the eyedropper tool. And click one of the letters in Making Your Home Beautiful. So click one of these letters. And you see that applied the same formatting to that text. Choose select, deselect, and then let's click file and then save. I think my computer's cold too. It's going really slow today, more than usual. We're now going to create and apply text styles. Text styles allow you to save text formatting to apply it consistently and be updated globally. Once a style is created, you only need to edit the saved style, and then all text formatted with that style is updated. Illustrator has 2 types of text styles. Number 1, paragraph. It retains character and paragraph attributes and applies them to an entire paragraph. And 2, character. Retains the character attributes and applies them to selected text. You'll start by creating a paragraph style for the body copy. So select your selection tool. In the artboard on the left, double click in the paragraphs of threaded text. So double click in this text. And that will switch to the type tool and insert the cursor. Choose window, type, and then paragraph styles. And you see here's your paragraph styles dialog box. And then click the Create New Style button, this little plus right here. A new paragraph style appears in the panel. It's called Paragraph Style 1. To create a paragraph style from text, you don't have to select the text. You can insert the cursor in the text when making a paragraph style. The text formatting attributes are saved from the paragraph that the cursor is in. You can see our cursor is, you may not see it real good, but mine is right here. So yours should be in that paragraph somewhere. Double click directly on the style name Paragraph Style 1 and change the name to Body. My cap locks is still on. Take that off. Body. Press Return or Enter to confirm the name. By double clicking the style to edit the name, you apply the new style to the paragraph where the cursor is. This means that if you edit the formatting for the body paragraph style, only this paragraph will update. Now you will apply the style to all the other text in the threaded frames. With the cursor in the paragraph text, select and then all. Click the body style and the paragraph styles to apply the formatting. And what you've done is you can see that this is highlighted up here because it was linked. So everything now has the same formatting. With one paragraph style made, you'll practice by creating another for a few of the headlines in the document. So choose Select, Deselect, so that text is deselected. Select the Selection tool. Click in the text 215 Grand Street. In the Properties panel, click the Fill Color and select the dark green swatch. I think that one is dark green. To make a new paragraph style, click the New Style button. And then we're going to double click this and rechange it to Blurb, B-L-U-R-B, press Return. In the vertical ad on the left, click the text toward the bottom of the artboard that starts with Family Owned. I'll move this over. But click that text. Click the Blurb style, and that applies that style to the text. The blurb formatting will suit that text better because you'll add it to the black curve path later in this lesson. After creating a paragraph style, you can easily edit the style formatting. Then anywhere the style has been applied, the formatting will be updated automatically. Next, you'll edit the body style to see firsthand why paragraph styles can save you time and maintain consistency. Double click in the paragraphs of text with the body style applied, so double click in that text. To edit the body style, double click to the right of the style name Body, so double click out here, and that will open up this paragraph styles panel. In the dialog box, select the basic character formats, change the font size to 14, changed it to 14. Choose Auto from the leading. Auto for leading. The font size and leading options will most likely be blank. Since Preview is selected by default, you can move the dialog box out of the way. You can see what it's done here. Click OK. Leave the cursor in the paragraph so you can zoom into where the cursor is in the text. And we'll learn about character styles, or that's, never mind. Forget I even said anything. So this click, now that we've done that, we're going to click. If yours doesn't freeze like mine, we're going to save it. Click File, and then Save, and then we'll end this video.